as a salesperson, it is really important that you know what next steps are. We're all taught to close for next steps on every single call, not just closing for contracts and signatures. And HubSpot makes it really easy for you to know if those next steps are set up. So I really want to highlight the way that you can do that inside of your deal board to make your life a little easier and help you focus on the deals that need a little bit more attention. An easy way to do this is to hop into your deal board, and to do that, you will go to Sales and click Deals. Now, when I'm looking at my deals and the deal cards in here, I see these grayed out ones. Those are ones that don't have logged activity in X amount of days. That's something that you can customize. And I made a video about that recently. So if you don't know how to do it, just let me know. But the thing that I really want to focus on here is the part that says task due in 2 days, right? There's the logged activity from the past, and then you can see here if there's no scheduled activity or if there is a next step. This is super helpful for a salesperson to, at a glance, know at, say, the beginning of the day, which ones of my deals might be in trouble, which ones do I need to follow up with those prospects and close for those next steps. And I think that you should really be using the deal board for this. Now, if I do come in here and I see a couple of deals that don't have a next step scheduled, I'm a bit concerned about it. I can actually bulk edit these from my list view if I know what those next steps are. So let me jump over there. To do that, you'll go over here and click. And now I'm inside of my list view. This is all the deals that I was just looking at in the board view. Now it's in a list, and now it's going to be easy to bulk make edits. So for this particular instance, I know that these 2 deals need to have a proposal follow-up call. I must have forgot to schedule this, so I'm going to give these people a call. And yep, it's going to be a call, and let's see, we'll have it due Friday. So once I create this, I will go back into my deal board and see if this shows up for me. Okay, so I'm back in my deal board. Let's see, these are the deals I was talking about, and yes, now I've got my task due in 2 days. So if you're not utilizing the deal board to see where your next steps are, I highly recommend it. It's something that I use, and it just really helps me know where my deals are at, obviously the sales process, but then it holds me accountable for having those next steps set up.